Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to prepare beef bourguignon. This is a French dish that is slow cooked in a dry red wine sauce. Here, you can see our freshly prepared ingredients. The ingredients required for this dish are 1 kg of beef, finely chopped and cubed, and marinated overnight in 750 ml of dry red wine, 50 ml of olive oil, 2 large onions, 6 normal carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and 3 large leeks, all finely chopped, with 2 to 3 ground garlic cloves. When choosing the meat, go for topside or fillet steak, as this is a meat that is soft enough for this dish. When cutting, cut slices against the grain, then chop them into cubes. Take the cubed meat and put it into a large bowl. Afterwards, pour in the dry red wine and add thyme. You may also add pepper and bay leaves. Lastly, soak the meat overnight. Heat oil in a large frying pan, then add the marinated meat. And at this point, put the meat without the wine. Pan fry it until it's seared a little, then add the vegetables plus seasoning. Cook for 4 minutes, then add back the wine. Bring it to a simmer and cook until it's very well cooked and tender to your preference. And there you have it, folks, beef bourguignon. You may serve it with braised rice and stir-fried cabbage.